Unit 13 here on Scene at the Homestead. It's time for Update 14 for worm bins 2 and 3. We'll start off by looking at these photos here of attempted escapees from bin worm number 2. And that still continues. At this point, I'm considering restarting bin number 1 to see if that will alleviate that problem as an experiment. But the issue with that is actually having enough food on hand to supply all the worms. So I'm going to have to deal with that. Okay, let's get started with the update on bin 2. Here's a view of the bin on August 26th as it was after it had been fed. Here it is on September 7th. There's no notable odors except for the normal earthy tones, earthy smells that go along with having a worm bin. There's certainly nothing offending. I'm going to take and disturb all of those contents to help create aeration and stop those seeds from continuing to take root inside there. So I don't want that to happen. Usually what happens if I do that, they'll slowly decompose and get consumed by the worms. And since there's really not much exciting happening in bin 2, I'll close out the update with one of the high-speed feedings and switch over to the next bin. Switching over to bin 3, there are similar indicators of worm activity up on the ledge of the bin. Interesting mystery. Switching from that back in time to August 26th, there is cantaloupe, avocado, and watermelon there among other fruits. That's how it presented as it was left. Here's what it looks like on September 7th. Drastic change in there. And once again, those seeds love to germinate in that space. There's no foul odors. It just smells nice and neutral more than it does earthy. Since there's not much to note, I'll close it out with a high-speed feeding like usual and catch up on the next update. This is Unit 13. I'm out. It's Unit 13 here. Did you forget to go check out the website? What are you waiting for?